Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your resume in Canva so you can change the photo immediately. Make sure you are signed in and that the correct template or file is open. Once done, find the current image or a photo frame where the headshot belongs. This is the element you will replace. Now upload the new image from your computer or phone using Upload Media. You do this first to have the asset ready before adjusting size and position. Once the image is uploaded, drag it into the resume photo frame or right-click the existing image and choose Replace Image. This keeps layout intact while swapping content. After replacement, use the crop and position handles to center the face and adjust scale so the head fills the frame without cutting shoulders. Make small edits. Exposure, contrast, and sharpness improve clarity. If needed, apply a subtle filter to match the resume's color tone. Make sure skin tones remain natural. Finish by confirming alignment with guides and locking the image or grouping it with header elements so it won't shift. Then export using PDF print or high-quality settings to preserve resolution. Check margins and safe area before saving. If the photo looks pixelated or blurry, make sure you uploaded a higher resolution file, ideally 300 dpi or a large JPG/PNG. If the image still misbehaves, replace it with the original file and recrop. This usually resolves quality issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.